What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about a stock that I've gone on record in the past saying that I think is the easiest money in the stock market. Facebook stock, trading under the ticker FB. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Webull whenever you open and fund your account, as well as $10 of free Bitcoin from Coinbase whenever you open your account and make your first $100 purchase of cryptocurrency. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it. It's been a while since I talked about Facebook here on my channel, and since then, after trading sideways for several months, Facebook has finally broken past the $300 resistance. I personally have been a Facebook shareholder since 2018 whenever it was trading at around $170 per share, during the midst of the Cambridge Analytica scandal. So now that Facebook stock has finally started to rally and has broken past $300 per share, if you were to ask me at this level if I would consider either buying more shares or selling my current position, I'd have to tell you that nothing has changed about my long-term views about Facebook. And there's not a chance I'm selling my shares. From a financial perspective, I continue to be extremely bullish about Facebook. Looking at the shares from a technical perspective, we can see that Facebook is currently trading with a PE ratio of approximately 31. And while their current PE ratio makes them more fairly priced than they were about a month ago, in my opinion, Facebook is still undervalued when compared to some of the larger tech companies like Microsoft, Amazon, and Apple. And from a financial perspective, Facebook continues to generate cash flows hand over fist, growing their revenue and net income quarter over quarter. And personally, I believe that Facebook has not even come close to reaching the peak for their cash flow. I believe that Facebook is going to be able to continue to grow their financials for years into the future as they continue to generate increasing revenue as more ad dollars are transitioned to online platforms. And in addition to that, Facebook has not even come close to scratching the surface from online marketplaces. On top of increasing revenues from their social media platforms, I believe that a lot of investors are sleeping on the huge potential ahead of Facebook with their virtual reality technology, Oculus. Not only does virtual reality have huge potential ahead of it for gaming, but it also has growing applications in the medical field as well, with growing utility across different fields of medicine, ranging from patients performing rehabilitation to assist with stroke recovery, to the operating room for surgery. Now, just to be clear, in the short term, I don't think that Facebook is a stock that's going to moon tomorrow. But from a long-term perspective, 5 to 10 years out, I believe that Facebook is easily going to 2 to 3x compared to where it's trading at right now. But with that said, like any investment, an investment in Facebook comes with risks. And there's always going to be the risk and concern about governmental regulation. Like always, these videos are never medical or financial advice. They're merely me researching a company and providing my own opinion based on that research. So if you're thinking about investing in Facebook, make sure you're doing your own research and only do so if you're willing to accept those risks. What are your thoughts about Facebook stock? Are you invested in FB? Are you thinking about investing in Facebook? Where do you think the share price is going over both the short term and the long term? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.